Okay, Dell Inspiron 5570. I'm gonna change the charging port, power jack, and a battery today. First, you remove all the screws. You remove this one, and you remove the tray. Pretty straightforward. You put the screws on the side. Now we need to remove the battery. Okay, we have one screw here, two screw here, three screw here, and one more here. We have the connector here, and that's it. This is the battery. Now, since it's disconnected, let's change the charging port, which is here. Let me make sure you can see it. Yes. So we're gonna remove the hinges because the charging port really are under the hinges. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we try to lift the hinges. You need to push a little hard. Okay, here is the charging port. We remove the connector and we follow it. Remember how it was. There is one screw here next to it. Remember that you have to remember how did it go is inside. Okay, you remove it, and that's it. Okay, now we open the charging port, the power jack, the new one. Okay, remember that we have to put it the same way from under those antenna cable. Okay, here it's in. We have, you secure it with one screw. All right, and then you have to put it under here, go inside here, and come all the way here, and you connect it. Make sure you connect to the right side. I hope I am connected on the right side. And I hope they send us the right charging port. Okay, looks like it has to be this way. Okay. Okay, it looks like in to me. So as you can see, it has to be this way, not this way, this way. Okay, now we put back the hinges, 3 screws. Alright, now we open the new battery. You see, power jack and a battery under 5 minutes. Now, oh, this battery doesn't come with connector, so we have to remove the connector from the old one. Okay. Okay, we removed it. We put it in the new one. Okay, it's in. And now we put it on the hinges. We connect it. Boom. There is 4 screws here. That's 1. That's 2. One, 3, and 4. That's it. Now we put the cover. Yeah. All right, we start con. Okay, there is two small one on the side under the DVD drive. Now we put the DVD drive in like this or like this. All right, and we put all the screws and we're done. Thanks for watching.